management reports, summaries, insights, BI, all that information, and all you have to do is to manually create it. Oh my God, let's not do that. Let's try to automate things, and let's do it with Docusnap. Check it out. In Docusnap, we are able to deliver a lot of data and a lot of insight into your IT infrastructure. And we have a various amount of ways to export it. So let's help you to some oversight here and check it out in our software. So here you go. It's the classic Docusnap dashboard, and on top you got the ribbon bar. On the bottom, the 4 main menu points like inventory, all the things that get into Docusnap, documentation, all the things that are exported from Docusnap, as well as license management, which is pretty much self-explanatory, and IT security for the permission analysis. Now, for checking out the reports, we're going to dive into the Data Explorer to our left. And as you know, Docusnap inventories agent-free and recurringly. And we have a lot of snapshots here. And based on these snapshots, we always also deliver reports. And boy howdy, do we have plenty of reports. Looking at this one, this is just the system summary of this server. Basically, anywhere you can find a snapshot in Docusnap is where you can find a report that might be more or less helpful to your needs right now. So feel free to check them out. We got plenty of reports. Here are some management reports. Here are some reports within the domain and information for systems, security, Active Directory, and all the things. So in order to basically combine some of these reports, be sure to check out the Docusnap concepts, because here you are able to combine them. So let's just do that real quick together. And I'm just creating a new Docusnap concept. Let's make a headline here. And my idea here is to actually combine 2 rather superficial reports, but it's something that maybe my colleague needs, and I will plan to have them send him that on a regular basis. So I'm using the report IT structure key figures. It's a 1-page report containing, for example, the number of workstations and servers, and all the other things in my database, they're empty. And let's also include on the next page a report on the system overview on each of these servers, not the workstations. For that, I dive into the report structure here on our left and select Systems, Hardware, and Systems Overview. And I use drag and drop to input the report here. Next thing is a dialog where I can deselect things that don't interest me, like, for example, the workstation, or if I would have some information here, Linux, Mac, and SNMP as well. Now, Docusnap adds all the relevant information based on the latest snapshots, and you are good to go. Let's confirm with save and close the concept. Now we are able to schedule the whole thing as a job and also send it, for example, in various types or data to some colleague. Next thing you want to remember is we also do have a report designer that you can dive into to get more deeper understanding onto the data structure in Docusnap and what you can deliver here. Keep in mind that our reports are basically designed to be way more complex than what you would need in your everyday life, because it's more easier for you to just delete some data that you do not need instead of, tediously adding new data. We have also reports with visualizations included, and of course we have reports on many useful things. Feel free to also check out the IT security reports, for example, on which person has which connections and which permissions in which file system. That's pretty cool, and you'll find it in IT security, and you can use it, for example, to inform all the other data protection officers or head of departments on which person has which permission. Today, as we're recording this video, we have more than 200 reports already included in Docusnap. And we're not getting tired of delivering more and more with every upcoming release. So, stay tuned on Facebook, Twitter, on our What's New section of the homepage, and be sure to report all the things and, of course, document all the things. Keep in mind, Docusnap, we understand IT, and we wish you lots of fun with your IT documentation.